Well, this is my first ride on my new bike. Well, the first recorded ride. Yeah, just gonna go out for an hour, see what the video turns out like. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I'm actually going the same route as I done as I crashed my FZ1, the same corner, so we shall meet again. It's a lovely night. It's cold, it's only 6 degrees. And I'm on a naked bike, so there's no protection. But yeah, enjoy the video. This auto blipper, absolutely fantastic. The auto blipper and quick shifter on this is just out of the world. Just amazing, honestly. It's such a handy little thing to have, like yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this bike. It's so flickable. It's the seating position, your knees are slightly tucked up, you're a little bit forward. Just honestly, it's a perfect bike for me. The suspension being Öhlins and the brakes, it's night and day better than the FZ1. Like, it's unbelievable that this bike cost me £9. Like, the brakes, with 70 mile an hour just straight down, the brakes are so good, and it's so light and flickable. It's amazing. I like shifting early just because it feels so good. I love this corner. Nothing coming. Just so nice, man. What a bike. Cruise control, baby. This is so good, man. Look at this. So good. Absolutely love this bike, like. Fucking amazing. Just close the throttle off. That dies for the corner. Back on. There we go. Look at the views here, man. Fucking look at the shite in the road now. What a night. So much shit in the road, man. So this is where I crashed my bike, my FZ1. Came up here, probably doing about 60, couldn't slow down in time, and that's where I went through. Yeah, well, at least I've done it on this bike. What a castle. What a nice night. Absolutely freezing now though. 4 degrees. So cold now, like it's only 4 degrees. It's been a nice ride though. Catch out these corners straight after the other. RS4 in front. Well, I think I'll call the video there. So thanks for watching. There'll be plenty more videos coming on this. We've got Cadwell Park later in the year. Probably get a couple more trips done in, get them sorted. Yeah, so thanks for watching. See you next time. I forgot to mention, lit up switches. Oh god, I love this bike. See ya.